If you need to replace a smoke detector, I suggest getting some like this from First Alert. And don't worry that these are wired smoke detectors because they're super easy to install. But before I get too far, these are model 9120B, and I'll list it in the description so it's easy for you to find. The reason these are easy to install is because First Alert includes wiring adapters for existing smoke detectors. So if you're replacing either Kidde brand or FireX smoke detectors, this job is going to be a snap. So I'm going to go step by step and show you how to install this new First Alert smoke detector. First, locate and turn off the breaker for the room the bad smoke detector is in. This is the Kidde unit I need to replace, and a quick clockwise turn will release it from the ceiling. To remove the wiring harness, just squeeze the sides and it will pop out. I won't be able to use the existing Kidde mounting plate, so I'll just loosen the two screws a bit and it'll come right off. So there's no need to take the screws all the way out. Then separate the First Alert mounting plate and install this on the ceiling. The screw positions in the ceiling box are universal, so this should go on very easily. To secure it, just tighten the two screws, but be careful not to over-tighten them. And now I'll take the Kidde brand wiring adapter and plug it into the existing connector. This is exactly why I recommend this particular smoke detector, because the wiring adapters make it so easy. If you had a FireX detector here, you'd just do the same with the other harness. Next step is to insert the included 9-volt battery into the new detector. Be sure to pay attention to the correct polarity as you do this. So we're actually almost done here. The wiring harness now plugs into the back of the First Alert unit, and make sure it snaps all the way in. Now line up the detector with the ceiling plate and twist clockwise until it's secure. And that's it. I hope you agree this installation was super easy. Now just flip the breaker back on and it's good to go. Even if you don't have any experience replacing a smoke detector, I have 100% confidence you can do it. And it's easy with these First Alert smoke detectors I just got. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my DIY videos.